And welcome back. Well, there's a group of women who can feel forgotten when it comes to skincare, and it's time to address some of their concerns.
Pregnant and lactating mothers often believe that they need to avoid any aesthetic procedures and use only a gentle cleanser, for example, and maybe a moisturizer. Well, Dr. Deborah Manjoney is the owner and operator of the Wisconsin Vein Center MediSpa, and she's here with some options for all of you pregnant women out there and nursing moms too, which is really great news. It's wonderful
to see you.
Thank you. It's great to be here too.
Yeah, because when you're pregnant, you're so worried about everything that you use.
And
anything on your body.
You know, retinol is a big thing. Everybody says, oh, you can't use a retinol during pregnancy, and that's true.
Yeah.
You cannot. But there's so many products that really can be used, especially, I have to say, the Epionce line.
Yeah.
Because Epionce, which I love year-round anyway, without being pregnant, it's a beautiful botanically based line that is all about protecting your skin barrier.
Okay.
And so
it's all
great.
more natural.
It's totally natural, yes.
Huh. And it works.
It definitely works. These have been developed by a dermatologist who's also a nutritionist.
These
and
three here,
So the Epionce line in general is just so wonderful for the skin. And it's all about preparing the skin and keeping it protected, barrier maintenance. And that's important because even during pregnancy, all the things that can happen, you know, either an acne flare-up, or everybody worried about cloasma or the mask of pregnancy, you know, it can lead to melasma as well. And just either being too oily or too dry. And we have solutions for all of those issues.
Okay, I love that you have some wonderful products that are options, because it's a great way of maintaining results that you get from some of the wonderful treatments that you have available. What I love is that there are several different facials that can be customized to meet the needs of pregnant women that are also very safe for you.
That's exactly
and relaxing and fun too.
It's also, it's a great gift for people too.
Great,
Because a little mommy time or
push
pre-mommy time, that's right.
Yeah.
Because they are wonderful facials, really deep cleansing facials that can also either restore some moisture to your skin, help you with if you are having any kind of oily skin or acne issues. You know, the glow of pregnancy is beautiful for some people, but it is excess oil production too. And so sometimes you might need a little help with that.
So Hydrafacial and Aquafirm X are two that you say work very effectively and great during pregnancy.
Absolutely. Yes, they do.
Good.
Awesome.
Okay.
And then there's the Geneo.
The Geneo Glow.
Geneo
the Glow facial. And that's where we're using a pod that actually produces carbon dioxide on the skin to trick your body into delivering more oxygen to the skin. And improve the skin, make it look beautifully pink and perfused. And so it's a great facial. Plus it's really good exfoliation.
Well, that's good, and that obviously helps with everything. Dermaplaning is one people love because it's like your face feels like a baby's when you're done.
That's right. It feels as soft as. It's incredible. Yeah, you're absolutely right. It does feel like
a baby's skin. Bottom, weren't you?
Yeah.
Because it's true. It really is.
It is great.
And so that's a good one that you can do that doesn't even have any sort of, it's really just sort of like
a little mechanical, almost like a shaving procedure, but it gets off all the dead skin cells. So it really exposes that beautiful, young, healthy, glowing skin.
Yeah. I want to talk about the Hollywood laser.
Yes.
You love that I love it, but I don't know if that's safe during pregnancy.
Well, during pregnancy, we don't do any lasers, but after pregnancy, for women who now have the baby at home and they just might want to get a little bit of a pick-me-up, a Hollywood laser peel is fantastic. It doesn't require any anesthetic, so you don't have to worry about not lactating or not saving the milk or disposing of it for any time at all. No numbing, just very lovely exfoliating facial, but also delivering laser underneath the skin, so you're building collagen.
Yeah, and with that, any lasers that don't use aesthetic, you can use like laser hair removal. You can do that, and that's safe when you're nursing too.
That's right. You know, we do some procedures on people who are nursing, and we tell them they have what we call pump and dump for 24 hours to just make sure the anesthetic's out of their system, but not even necessary for so many of these procedures.
About 45 seconds left. One thing I wanted to mention is a lot of women struggle with, I remember, hair loss during pregnancy.
And so after pregnancy, usually. It's usually, during pregnancy, your hair actually may look fuller because you're in that growth phase of hair. But after, especially about 3 months afterwards, you may really start to shed hair. And so there are vitamins which are specifically made for lactating women, so you don't have to worry about using it or getting it into your system. And so that's wonderful, the Nutrafol vitamins for hair growth. And in addition, Derive is our hair restoration system that people can use at home as well, or just get started in-house. And it's all botanical, and it has been approved by gynecologists who, you know, when the patients have asked them if it's okay to use it, and they say yes.
We've talked about Epionce then, and more Epionce, and then you also have BioJuve, which is good for bacteria.
BioJuve is a natural microbiome that you put on your face. It's the good acne bacteria. So it actually can repair a lot of issues with the skin, even during pregnancy. It should be totally safe. And then, of course, people who don't get Botox because they're pregnant can use the line relaxer from Revision and DEJ booster, which has sunflower sprout extract in it. Great.
You have tons of great information.
Yes,
we do. Compiled it all in your products. It's available to you if you'd like to book a service, if you'd like to learn more about these fabulous products that really do produce results and maintain treatment results too. And don't forget about skincare as a service, as well as products and a gift card for the holidays.
And preventing stretch marks.
There you go.
There you go.
Epionce for preventing stretch marks as well. Good to see you, doctor.
Nice to see
Thank you.
Thank
All right, the Wisconsin Vein Center and MediSpa is located in Pewaukee. For more information on any of the products Dr. Manjoney talked about, just give them a call. They're very well versed in pregnancy and nursing. 262-746-9088, or check out their website, wimedispa.com.